Hello and welcome back to AutoMobilityStore.com. Today I wanted to introduce this beautiful 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring Edition conversion van. Not only is this van in excellent condition, but it offers effortless steering, a driver's side turnout seat, and a lot more. Let's take a look at it. This beautiful conversion van features a VMI Northstar automatic in-floor ramp and kneeling system. Also offers a 3.5-liter V6 engine and only around 25,000 miles. With the touch of a button, your sliding door will automatically open and the ramp and kneeling system will deploy. Call AutoMobility Store today and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And please don't forget to subscribe and comment below.